Use the docks report to see an overview of where your G7 docks are being used and the test results of gas compliance tests. To see this report, sign into Blackline Live and navigate to Blackline Analytics through the main menu. Select the docks report in the left-hand sidebar. To see how many tests were performed on each dock, refer to the bar chart visuals on the right side of the report. These charts are split into bump tests and calibrations and indicate how many tests passed or failed. A dock that has higher amounts of failed tests will likely need to be troubleshooted to ensure it is set up correctly and that the hardware is working. The map visual indicates where bump tests and calibrations are taking place and gives you an idea of where docks are set up or if they are being moved around. The color of a point will indicate whether the tests performed in that location passed or failed, and hovering over the point will give an exact amount of how many tests passed or failed. The dock logs displays the date and time that a bump test or calibration was performed on each dock, as well as the results of each test. The columns of this table can be sorted in order to quickly see which docks are failing tests or which docks are not being used.